Ni hao, I'm Amber. I'm from Taiwan.
Ni hao, I'm Sarah. I'm also from Taiwan. My favorite memory is we go to play basketball and it's
Yeah, we got to play basketball together and you were in the team and yeah, it's fun.
if you don't want to go to like the city school, you can come to this school because it's better and it's like in the forest. There's really much nature in here.
And the friends is really friendly over here, so you don't have to be shy.
Sister,
Mabuhay. My name is Jewel, and I'm in grade 11 in QMS. Um, I think in grade 9, I was a day student. And then in grade 10, I got into boarding. And then in the beginning, I actually like had a hard time adjusting. But in the end, like the people I met in the boarding house has shaped like my experience. So I feel like I chose to continue to stay in boarding because of the people I met, the experiences I had, and like the memories and the friendship that I made. So far, my favorite experience was like the events in boarding. We had like in the beginning of the school year, we had like a movie night outside watching the Barney movie, and it was so cool, but then everyone's just there together, enjoying watching. I think that was my favorite memory. For people in the Philippines, like that want to come to QMS, I think they should choose it because it's a really diverse school, and it has a really like supportive community, and it like allowed me to grow. From my grade 9 year, I felt like I always say this a lot, like I didn't have that much confidence in me. But then as years go by, like the supportive community and like all the people I met has been very supportive and it allowed me to grow into a person, like a confident person.
salamat.